Thank you very much and welcome to my video presentation. My name is Debbie Davis. Happy Monday, everyone. Hope all is well and keeping safe during this time. I would like to give a shout out to all the mothers and happy belated Mother's Day. Stop. Have you ever wanted to know the difference between an animal cell and a plant cell and what they have in common? So now you can stop wondering because I'm going to tell you today the difference between an animal cell and a plant cell and what they have in common.
Okay. Okay.
So let's take a look at the animal cell diagram.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
If you take a look at my animated animal cell diagram. So folks, when we talk about the animal cell, we must know that it doesn't have a cell wall, but has a membrane that separates the interior of all cell from cholesterol, which is a major component of animal plasma membranes. It has no chloroplast like the plant cell. Now, the shape of the animal cell is round or irregular shape, and it appears to be much smaller in size. Now, the animal cell increases in size by increased cell numbers. It has cilia, which is an organelle found in animal cells, and it helps to transport fluid or materials past them. Now, you can also find cilia in humans, which is found in the lining of the respiratory tract. Now, animal cells have two centrioles, which are used for cell division. They store energy in the form of glycogen, which is, as you know, is a type of sugar. Okay, is everybody with me? All right, so let's take a look at the diagram of the plant cell. Now, what you need to know about the plant cell is that it has a sturdy cell wall that surrounds it. Now, plant cell is rectangular in shape. This is caused by a rigid cell wall. Plant cells are also larger in size. Unlike the animal cell, the plant cell has something called chloroplast. Now, this is where organelles conduct photosynthesis, which is a process when the organelles capture the energy from the sunlight. It is then converted and stored in the energy storage molecules. Now, plant cells grow by absorbing more water into the central vacuole, which is the largest organelle in the cell surrounded by a membrane. Now, the plant cell has cellulose, which makes plants rigid in form. So the next time you water your plants, take a look at its rigidness, which is caused by cellulose. What do they both have in common, you ask? Well, let's take a look at the diagram of the animal cell and the plant cell. So what's important about both of them is they both contain a mitochondria, which is an organelle that has a double membrane where the process of respiration and energy production occur. They are both eukaryotic cells, meaning they both contain a nucleus, which is a round body located inside a eukaryotic cell. They carry organelles such as a Golgi apparatus or complex, whichever one you want to call it, it's both the same. They process and bundle macromolecules like proteins and lipids. They both have ribosomes, which are cell structure that makes protein and found in the cytoplasm. So these are both in animal and plant cells. Also, animal cell and plant cell contain vacuoles. Vacuoles are basically storage bubbles found in cells. Now, they are much larger in plant cells. Vacuoles are used to store food and other nutrients for cell survival. So basically, the animal cell and the plant cell have some similarities, but also different as well, especially in shape. One is more of an oval shape and one is more rectangular. And they both have different functions, of course. So I hope this presentation resolves your curiosity about the difference of animal and plant cells. Thanks for watching.